Hello guys, good evening. Welcome to Gupta Cloud Tech YouTube channels. Today discuss about how to create free workspace Oracle Apex. Go to click on this oracle.com that slash this one is the our website URL and how to create workspace and go to get started and click on this sign up for free and here fill first name. Actually I already created a workspace before 5 minutes and 10 minutes and workspace this is our workspace name and country India. Go to and are you new Oracle Apex? Click yes and click do you plan and use Apex for education or training? Click this one and create request workspace and so you will receive an email to activate your workspace. Once this request has been approved, after 5 minutes and 10 minutes approval, then you got this mail. Workspace request approved. Hello Jitendra Gupta and your workspace has been approved. Workspace Jitendra Gupta and username this one and environment this one's and click on this create workspace and go to our this is the our workspace and Oracle Apex application and go to app builder and SQL developer and team development and gallery. This is our user. Click on this and this is our workspace name. Okay, thank you for watching this video.